Hello guys, so for today's video is gagawa tayo ng tutorial kung paano gamitin ang AutoCAD apps. So step by steps tayo. Ito ang video. Pin natin ang AutoCAD, just click unit, then yung decimal is kailangan dalawa lang yung 0, then meter, then snap po, select all, okay, then PL line, just make a line, then 5 down, 5 down, 5 and another 5 for up. Step 1 po, yan, then copy paste, then dimension po sa step 1, so 5 meters sa taas, 5 meters din sa baba, then offset 0.5 for step 2, and then select and then Ctrl C, Ctrl V for copy paste, and then another PL line, hanapin lang po yung gitna, then another PL line, find that triangle, and another select naman for copy paste, and then yan po na select, copy paste, tapos mag additional tayo sa line po ng 1, add 1, so magiging 6 na po siya, tapos another 1, then select, then copy paste, Ctrl B and Ctrl C and Ctrl B, tapos PL ulit, then magawa po na diamond, then PL ulit sa loob, tapos select, tapos paste, then erase the cross line, then right trim in the command, then select the object na i-trim. And then select the object to join, tapos i-save na po, Control S, then write your name para madali mo mahanap ang yung ginawa na AutoCAD. Thank you po.